everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with an unboxing for you. I'm pretty sure this is 2 diamond paintings. So let me get them open and I will do both of them in one video. Hey, for anybody who's wondering, I went to my nephew's wedding. We flew into Boston and then drove up to Exeter, New Hampshire for the wedding. Great wedding, great reception, beautiful bride and groom. Got to spend time with my parents, all my brothers and sisters, some of their kids. It was just wonderful. And I am peeking inside this package, and there are 2 Ever Moment tubes in there. So now I'm getting excited. You know, sometimes it's such a mystery when I open these packages. Not really sure what I'm gonna get, but with Ever Moment, I pretty much always know that I'm gonna get something wonderful. This is really well packaged. Like, I can't even get it open. It's so well packaged. Okay, here's one. See, there's the telltale tube and the purple ribbon. Oh, I gotta get the end off of here so I can get the other one out. I struggle with scissors and trying to get things open, but I do not mind at all. You know, please make my package more secure. Put more tape on it. I'm okay with that. This one has no end to the tube. Only an end on one side. And it's not like it even fell off and it's in the package. It's just not there. So that's kind of weird. I guess that's why it was so tight on there. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's do the big one first. BB, are you joining me? She sits on the edge of the bed so she can watch the other room. Okay, here is a toolkit, some bags, and some labels. Oh, here is the end of the tube, all cracked and broken, but it was in there. And I got a little gift. I want to see what this is inside it. It looks like a little hair bow, maybe? Let's see. 2 of them. 2 little hair twisties with these little bows on them. BB, you want a little hair twisty? Go, puppy. Won't that look cute on you? She says, I gotta sniff them. The toolkit is always a nice toolkit from Ever Moment. White boat with the funnel, pink wax. There's 2 big pieces of wax in there. The famous Ever Moment tweezers that, please be careful. I have stabbed myself so many times with these. Yes, I'm a klutz. And a single pen with a purple squishy grip on it and a 3-placer on the other end. Very nice. Here's little pieces of the end cap. All right, here's the drills. Wow, they come in this little bag that says Ever Moment on it. These are square drills. They're all in their little, oh no, they're not all in their little bags. They're in little plastic bags with the DMC number on them. See that? But look at these colors. So pretty. I can't wait to see what's in here. Okay. Their canvases are always very nice quality. Thick. Those are the tubes that I save. I have a whole collection of Evermoment tubes. And here it is. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, whoops, sorry. Slow battery. Here is not even a thumbnail. They gave a big one of this girl. And then she's kind of like dissolving into smoke. I will put the picture up for you so you can see it better. This is a full drill square. The size, I have no idea. Let's see. It's not printed on the canvas. It's printed on here. I'm assuming that's it. It's a 40 by 40 full drill square with 29 colors. That's going to be beautiful. Now I'm just peeling it up so that the canvas will lay flat and so that you can see it. A lot of people are looking at their canvas and saying that, oh, the colors are wrong. Don't ever go by the colors on the canvas. It's the colors of the drills. You're not going to see the canvas, especially with a square. Oh, I really love her. Can you see it? Oh, my arm's in the way. Hold on. Here it is. There she is. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, wait. Let me put the picture. Oh, did I do that? I forget. Yeah, I think I did. This will be wonderful to do. I'm definitely going to do this one in my Canvas conversations. Oh, I'm peeling the adhesive up a little bit. I guess it's that layered kind. Wow. Really nice. Really, really nice. Typical for Evermoment. Their quality is just really good. The canvas is sturdy. The glue is all perfect. No rivers, no marks in it. Okay, there we go. Let me get a bag for all this stuff. Keep it together. You never go wrong with Evermoment. You may pay a little bit more. Well, you're going to pay more. But the drills are always nice. They give you everything you need and then some. Really nice inventory sheet. It's marked with who checked it. So I will do the inventory. And I don't like to bore people with counting. And it will be in the description how it turns out. And along with the link on where I bought this from. Hey, if you like my videos, take a second and hit like. And you can subscribe. And if you tap the bell, you will be notified of when my videos come out. Feel free to comment. I always read the comments and I try to respond when I have a response to give. And hey, you have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye. Friends, the ducks are demanding food. Charlie just walks right into the water.